Remember the first day when I saw you? Remember the first day when you smiled at me and you stepped to me and you said to me, I was the woman you dreamed of. Remember the first day when you called my house. Remember the first day when you took me out. We had butterflies, although we tried to hide. And we both had a beautiful life. The way we held each other's hand, the way we talked, the way we laughed. It felt so good to find. I knew right then and there you were the one. I know that he loves me because I know that he loves me because I know that he loves me because so when he stares at me, you see he cares for me. You know he's so deep in love. I know that he loves me because he loves me. I know that he loves me because it's me he trusts and it's me using me. It's not using me. It's not using me. It's not